Hi guys, I'm Kanchan and welcome back to my channel, The Glorious Mess. With yet another exciting video. In this video, we're gonna see like 10 random products from Amazon or Flipkart, whatever you prefer, that are really very useful. And yeah, these are some random useful products from Amazon. So do have a look because I think there are some really very good and important products you might have been like missing. So and do let me know about these weird curls that I tried. I mean, tikte hi nahi hai yaar balon mein curls, but still I tried. Moving on, I have picked like 10 random products that are very useful, at least to me, of course, and I'll explain like why these are useful. And these are like very cheap as well, not that high end or like very much in range, very affordable. So you can try it too if you haven't like already tried. So the first product that we have is a yoga mat that I currently use. Not currently, I would say I've been using it for quite a long time now, and I don't remember if I've like mentioned it before in some of my video. I don't know, I don't remember, but yeah, I do use this yoga mat, which is very beautiful, like orange neonish color. I actually ordered like a purple one but yeah, I got this one and I think it's better. Obviously, yoga mat is really very great. Like it is, I think कोई 6 feet वाला आदमी भी या कोई भी मतलब काफ़ी tall person भी इस पे आराम से like exercise and yoga या whatever you wanna do कर सकता है आराम से. It's pretty long, like pretty lengthy, and the material is also like that rubber वाला kind of material. I don't know how to explain it. And for the grip also, there's like so much grip making, like friction making, like something कुछ pattern ऐसे बना हुआ है. If you can see, yeah, now you can see. So this is the material and everything. It's pretty great. I usually do my exercises and somewhat yoga on this one, like every alternate days. Yeah. So moving on to the next. पहले वाले की बहुत ही तारीफ हो गई. So the next product I would suggest, a random product, would be ACV. And now that if you don't know about it, it is apple cider vinegar. It is like a apple vinegar, obviously, as the name says. It is used obviously for weight loss, if you have heard it, but I don't use it for that. Obviously, I'm already very like lean, underweight. So I do use it for my skincare, like for my pimples and all that. That is a really very great like lifesaver, I would say. If you have like pimples or even the marks of the pimple, like very old marks, that works wonders to remove all those, and it works great as a toner as well. So you should like, you can totally use it like on daily basis for your skincare. It's just that you have to be very careful on your skin if there is some cut or like bruises or something. So yeah, you might burn it like a little, not that much, but yeah, a burning sensation would be there if there's some cut or something. But yeah, for your pimples or like very long due like pimple marks, it is wonderful. So you should definitely like try it on like in your daily skincare. Go for it. Now next up, I want to talk about are these beautiful rice slides that you can see behind me and everywhere in my room. Like these are wonderful. These has that charging wala cable that you can put it into your charger, phone charger only, and you can just keep it like that. तुम connect करो charging में और charger मतलब देगा. No need of like switch or anything else. In all the lights that I have used before, बिल्कुल भी ऐसे कुछ अच्छा काम नहीं करती है. थोड़े टाइम बाद like it gets all wasted, ख़राब हो जाती है, and obviously not like good for your money. So yeah, I invested in these rice lights like so many months before. how much time it might have been. I don't know, like maybe 4 months by now. Yeah, I've been using it like great. It's working great for me. I've been using it like all the time. It's all on every time, and yeah, it's been working great. अभी तक तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम ऐसे फील नहीं हुआ है. So yeah, that this is like worth investing in, so you should probably like go for it too. And yeah, any product out of all you can go for, like for buying it from Flipkart or Amazon of your choice, whatever you prefer, wherever you go. So yeah, the rice lights are amazing. Yeah, so the next product, the fourth product that we have is this bathrobe, and I think I have mentioned it already in some of my video before, but yeah, it is just wonderful. I mean, I am not habitual of wearing like all the clothes after like bathing in the bathroom itself, and I really needed a bathrobe for that. I mean, I live in a PG, so yeah, you know, the hustle. The clothing material is also like fine, not that thick and not that like thin as well. So yeah, it does whatever a bathrobe needs to do. So yeah, that is it. इससे ज़्यादा क्या ही बोलूँ एक bathrobe के बारे में. And it's pretty like low. I mean, I'm like just 5'1", and it falls like just at my ankle. So yeah, if you can just calculate, like do the math in your head if you're like above, like taller than me. So yeah, that would like fall up to your like knees or below knees something. So yeah, that is how you do it. And the bathrobe, random product, useful product, great product. Moving on to the next. So the fifth product in the list are panty liners. Yeah, I mean, I don't want any of my audience to get awkward after that. I don't think it's that a taboo product to talk about. Yeah, I think we should talk about it. The panty liners are a must, and initially मेरे को stores पे कहीं ऐसे नहीं मिले. So I had to obviously go through the internet, and I found it on Flipkart, and these were like pretty amazing, like so many, I think 15 above or something. I would put it on screen what number of panty liners you get in just 150 rupees. So I was blown, and I found it a great deal. So yeah, the panty liners are must. I mean, for that petty flow, like that very less flow, you need those panty liners. And for yeah, those uncomfortable situations, to avoid them, just go for it. This random product is like a must to have these days for all the girls. And yeah, so go for it. I'll surely provide a link to that. Next up is a neck piece set, like that dainty jewelry neck piece set, 3-piece set it is, like that lock wala locket and 2 others. So it has been going like viral all over the internet. Everybody's buying it, and obviously it's cheap, it's not that high end, it's affordable. So you should obviously try it. If you don't have any of the dainty jewelry, or you just want to try something new, go for it on Amazon. It's pretty affordable, and yeah, it's that random product, just go for it. The next product I want to talk about in the random useful product list is this electric gel pad or hot water bag, or whatever you call it. It's an electric gel pad. I just call it my pain reliever. I mean, in those like crampy days in your abdomen region, you need this guy. This is like amazing. This does wonders. This relieves all the pain, and yeah, you just need in your life. I used to just procrastinate buying it and like बाद में खरीदेंगे and all that, but जब से मैंने खरीदा है, since when I bought it, it's amazing. And especially in winters, like when those cramps are like really high, it's like a murderer for those bitchy cramps. And yeah, even if like not for cramps, even if you don't get cramps in winters, like मैं इसको अपना bed गर्म करने के लिए भी use करती हूँ, and I like keep it in between my feet because my feet get like cold really very easily. So yeah, It is an amazing product from Amazon, and it was pretty cheap, like for like 300 or something, like 200 or something maybe. So yeah, you should probably try it. Next product that I want to talk about is a great product for your face, for your skincare. It's a face massager, like I would say face scrubber, massager, whatever, like a whole pack of everything. It removes all your blackheads and dirt and pollution from your face, and it's just amazing. I mean, the feeling of using it on your face, your skin is just amazing, and the after effect on your face is great. Oh god, the reaction. Yeah, so the baby soft skin you get after like using this face massager, face scrubber, and it has like, I think, different nozzles kind, like for different modes and all that. So yeah, and it's great for those blackheads and whiteheads that you get every now and then and are very like stubborn to get rid of. So yeah, for those you need to try it. And for that, now the next two products are like pretty about your choice and all that. So yeah, the second last product I'm gonna talk about is the pack of like 3 mouthwashes, and I got it like pretty cheap. मतलब मैंने तीनों का like total count किया था, तो it was like pretty cheap that I got in whatever price. So yeah, and oral health is like something we like ignore a lot. Just brushing is not enough these days after having so much of like chocolates and everything, obviously. So I paid a little attention on my oral health as well. So yeah, mouthwash for that, and a pack of 3, obviously, like budget friendly it is. I saved some money rather than buying it on some store, from some store. So yeah, just go for it if you want it. So the last product is this bottle only. क्या advertisement किया मैंने. Last product is this water bottle only, which is of stainless steel, and it's not a simple water bottle. It's customized like water bottle. It is written like the glorious mess here, if you can see. Okay, so yeah, you can obviously choose the font and size and everything. It's just that it is not that thermal bottle, that's what you call it, right? जो like गर्म and ठंडा रखने के लिए होता है. Obviously it's not that. I got tricked. I didn't got like tricked, obviously. I just didn't read everything, the description. So yeah, my bad. So yeah, if you want such customized bottles for somebody or even for yourself, then you can go for it. It's available on Amazon and maybe on Flipkart, I don't know. So yeah, just go for it. And it was priced around like for 350 or 400 or something. So yeah, any of the product you like would be available on Flipkart or Amazon, both, I guess. So yeah, you can totally check it out. And so that is it with today's video. I really hope you liked all the product suggestions, and I hope you liked the video. So if you did, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and share with your friends all the suggestions. And yeah, that would mean so much to me. Turn on that bell notification as well. And yeah, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.